We've already covered that there are three parts to your book: the front matter, the body, and the end matter. In this video, we'll be talking about all the elements of the end matter. And for your book, remember that you don't have to include all the elements. Just the ones that feel right for your book are enough. First, we have acknowledgements. This appears right after the final chapter ends. This is where you thank all the people that helped bring your book to life: your editors, mentors, family, and friends. You can also place it in the front matter, but if your book ends on a high emotional note, then the acknowledgements acts as a warm and a reflective close. Do you want help writing this part? We've got a video on dedication and acknowledgements. Check the description below. The About the Author section gives your readers a snapshot of who you are. You can mention your previous work, your background, and a little personal detail, like where you live and what your hobbies are. We've also got a video on how to write a good author bio, so check the description below for that. Some books also have discussion questions, which is perfect for book clubs and classrooms. These questions are thought-provoking about your characters, your book's theme, and the story. The appendix includes extra data and new findings that didn't make it into the main text. This is especially useful if you're publishing a second edition of a book. In some books, you might find superscript numbers next to certain words. These numbers indicate the endnotes. The endnotes are used to explain certain words or phrases in the book, and they're mostly used in nonfiction, but some fiction authors use them creatively too. If your book uses technical language or fantasy elements, then a glossary is extremely important to explain these terms. They are usually arranged in alphabetical order for easy navigation. Usually found in academic books and non-fiction books, an index lists important topics and where to find them. This is for readers who want to revisit certain topics in the book. A bibliography is used to cite all the sources that you used in your book. If you want to include a sneak peek of your next book, then you can include it in the bonus material section. This is especially used by fiction authors who want to include a teaser of a chapter of their next sequel. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!